Trade Confident family, today is a big day in the general market. We have the FOMC meeting in which Jerome Powell is going to be announcing new economic policy, including current interest rates, whether they're going to raise it, lower it, or keep it the same. I'm going to show you predictions on that, as well as how this could affect the rest of the crypto market. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and I'm here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. We really appreciate it. Very quick announcements. Tomorrow, March 21st, we have our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. This is going to be crucial to watch. There's going to be a lot of data that we provide, as well as an open QA to all of our members. We also have a brand new future forecast. You're going to want to watch that as well. There's some updates to it, including new entries into the market posted yesterday. Last but not least, our indicator sale is still live until March 22nd. You do not want to miss out on this. $650 off our insane indicators. With that, we're going to head back over to the homepage and begin our analysis, scrolling down to Bitcoin. And right here, the Bitcoin Emotional Index has fallen into fearful territory. Typically, this is going to be highly, highly bullish, as we can see back here and here. Didn't quite make it here, but pretty close. Moves up and massive moves up the last time this happened as well. Watch out for that. This could be very exciting to see over the next few days. Next up, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric, where we still have a ton of long trade sentiment. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if whales are looking to put long trades into the market, we can expect some pretty significant price moves up as well. Next up, we want to talk about where whale money is actually heading today. The last metric is going to show you what it's likely to do soon. This is showing that whales are actually pushing money out of the market, a very small tick down here. Now, if whale money actually continues out of the market, this is going to be a surefire sign, almost guaranteed, that we're going to see price moves back down in the market. This would actually be not that great for the crypto market. Now, we have until around 50,000 until things really get hairy. But what I'd really like to see here, if we do move down, is a pretty quick bounce with whale money moving back to the upside, where we can then expect price moves back to the upside as well. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. I think we're honestly going to see a buy signal right about here. At that point, we should be expecting pretty significant moves up. Simple as that. We already got a buy signal. It's a little bit premature. Whales sold out of the market right before the FOMC meeting. It's very normal for this to happen. This is so they can pick up cheap Bitcoin in the market. Now, as this plays out, you're going to want to pay very close attention to these metrics. Updates happen every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. And as a member, you can access our Bitcoin metrics along with the metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Future forecasts, trade setups, morning brew overview, Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, and more. And members are going to get the best discounts on our indicators. If you want to sign up, links are down in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the second link. Click that. You're going to be looking for the full access for $59 a month. This is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Before we get into the live charts, let's check the news. Fed meeting today, interest rate decision, inflation projection, and Jerome Powell's speech. We're going to scroll a little bit down here. Central bank officials are expected to leave interest rates unchanged when the Federal Open Market Committee releases its statements at 2 p.m. Eastern today. The Fed will also publish its latest summary of economic projections, which includes official forecasts for economic growth, inflation, unemployment, and interest rates. Now, if the interest rates stay steady, I think we're just going to continue as usual. We bounced off structure support, almost hitting $60,000 here, and we've seen moves back up to $64,100. This is our main resistance at this point. In fact, let's change this to red to make it more clearly a resistance structure. Whale money is kind of halfway up. Trades in favor sees a 63% chance of a drop. If we see whale money push back into the market on the 4-hour time frame, this could actually push us as high as $68,365. But if we see whale money continuing to drop in this market, this is where we need to be concerned about a further drop down, once again testing $60,000. Honestly, I think this is more likely. I think we're going to accumulate within this range for at least the rest of this week before seeing any moves back to the upside. And that's because after major drops, traders like to try and accumulate as much as they can. Whale traders try to keep the price right here so they can bolster their Bitcoin bags. What we're going to be looking for in order to call the next pump is I want to see the trifecta. I want to see price versus while money flow low. I want to see trades in favor low, and I want to see another buy signal at the structure support. All three of these tend to be extremely bullish. And if we can find that on both the 4-hour and the 1-day time frame, we're actually pretty close here. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and if we get a buy signal on the structure support, all three of these on both the 1-day and the 4-hour should send the price flying upwards. Most importantly, though, we need whale money to move into the market. We need this indicator, the price versus while money flow, to begin pushing money back into the market. This is indicated by the green line moving up. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and of course, this is going to push the price up. Once again, resistance structure at 64,100. In fact, we've already hit that today. And if we manage to break that, $68,356 is possible. But it's entirely dependent on the FOMC meeting. If we get a stay in interest rates, most likely what's going to happen, we're just going to trade typically. As we usually are, we're going to see some accumulation before the next move up. But if we see interest rates drop, this is going to be insanely bullish. I think it's going to send the market into a frenzy. This is earlier than it would be expected, and I think it would send the prices flying upwards. If we see a rise in inflation, I think this is highly unlikely. This would likely crash the market, but I'm not even going to talk much about that. I do not think that's going to happen. Now, as this plays out, once again, we're just looking for price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, and a buy signal on both the 1-day and the 4-hour time frame. Once we get both of those time frames matched up, things are going to be crazy bullish for Bitcoin. In order to catch the bottom and see the next move up, you're going to want to snag these indicators as soon as possible. You have just a few days left, literally just 3 days, until you are no longer able to get $650 off. This is one of the biggest discounts we've ever run for these indicators. So if you want to snag them, links are going to be down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to the indicator sale page. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members get a massive $250 off right off the bat. Access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. From here, you're going to scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $650 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and we will see you in the live Inner Circle Zoom Hangout tomorrow. I'm so excited. I hope to see you there.